Has anyone else ever had any arty ideas with circles? Let's find out.
Wassily Kandinsky was a famous artist. Some people think that one day, whilst walking through a gallery, he saw an unusual painting. He thought it was incredible, and he loved the shapes in it. Taking a closer look, he realised it was an upside-down painting leaning against the wall.
Oh, I like it. I like it a lot.
It was at that moment that Kandinsky had a brilliant idea.
All visitors must walk on their hands. No, wait, I've got an even better idea. That's it. Abstract art.
Kandinsky began to paint using different lines, shapes and colours, rather than normal, everyday things. One of his most famous pieces of art is made up of lots of circles and rings.
That's it. All done.
And Kandinsky's work looks brilliant, whichever way you look at it.
I feel like I'm going round in circles. Of course, you'd realise straight away if a picture was upside down. Wouldn't you?